Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to solve some problems about drying. So here's our given. We have M1 is equal to 60% or 0.60, M2 is equal to 5% or 0.05, and we are required to solve for the weight remove of the original product, the weight remove of the final product, and the weight remove of the bone dry material. So this is our FBD. As you can see, we have M1 inlet, M2 in the outlet, then we have the water remove. So we use formula for solid mass balance is equal to 1, W1 times 1 minus M1 is equal to W2 times 1 minus M2 is equal to WBD or the bone dry. So for total mass balance, we have W1 is equal to W2 plus W remove. So for water remove, we have W1 minus W2. So first is to solve for the water remove of the original product. So from the formula, W1 multiplied by 1 minus M1 is equal to W2 times 1 minus M2. Simply plug in the values. We have 1 pound for W1 times 1 minus 0.60 is equal to W2 times 1 minus 0.05. So we have a W2 of 0.42105 pounds. So since now we have W2, we can solve for the water remove. So water remove is equal to 1 minus W2. So 1 minus 0.42105 is equal to 0.57895 pounds. So this is our water remove of original product. Next is the water remove of the final product. So we have W1 times 1 minus M1 is equal to W2 times 1 minus M2. So plug in the values. We have W1 times 1 minus 0.60 is equal to our W2 is 1 pound, then is equal to 1 times 1 minus 0.05. So we can now get the W1, which is 2.375 pounds. So since now we have W1, we can now solve for the water remove for final product. So just minus W1 minus W2. So we have water remove is equal to 1.375. Next is the water remove for bone dry material. So we have our water remove for bone dry, the WBD is equal to 1. So from this formula, we can come up W1 times 1 minus M1 is equal to the WBD. So plug in the values. W1 times 1 times the M1 is equal 0.60 is equal to 1, since our WBD, we have W1 is equal to 2.5 pounds. Next is we need to solve for the W2. So same process, W2 is equal to 1 minus M2 is equal to WBD. So we have W2 is equal to 1.0526 pounds. So next is to solve for the water remove. We have W1 minus W2. So plug in the values. So 2.5 minus 1.0526, we have water remove of 1.4474 pounds. And that's all. Thank you.